Namaste. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to talk to you about jealousy and how jealousy can impact your manifestation powers. You might have had people around you, your family members, brother, sister, or even your mom and dad sometime getting jealous about small things. It's a very bad habit to become jealous. What happens is when you become jealous, you're actually lowering your vibrations, and when your energy is all wasted into jealousy, and that goes for anger as well. So jealousy, anger, it all combines, it burns out all the energy which you can actually help manifest for anything you wish to gain. You need to actually leave jealousy. No matter if your neighbor is earning more than you, or he's got a fantastic car, he's got a great house, or he gets everything what he wants, instead of being jealous, just say, well, good on him and thank you. Bless him. Just acknowledge, he's done something good in his previous life or even this life. There's karmas, there's the whole complex structure behind it, and also his energy levels are also always high. Maybe that's why he's getting everything what he wants. So when you become jealous, you're actually lowering your energy levels, and you're expecting something to manifest for you. Well, it won't work, because jealousy and envy also, it's not good for you and also for the person whom you're getting jealous towards, because if his energy or his aura is weak, obviously these jealousy and the vibrations will impact him and it will cause damage to him. So you don't want to get into this routine or this habit of getting jealous. And it's, you just be happy with what you have. If you don't have something, there's nothing to be jealous of. We came naked in this world, and whatever we have got, it's all a bonus. So there's nothing to be jealous. Everyone has their own capabilities, and if you want to earn something or get something, you can work hard towards it. Rather than getting jealous, put that energy in working hard and trying to achieve that or manifest it. So I see a lot of people, oh, why did he get that much? It all depends on their individual efforts. And also you also have to consider there's certain abilities which people are born with. So you need to consider all those factors. You should be happy with what you have got, and being nice and kind to everyone actually goes a long way. So instead of being jealous, I think everyone should actually put that energy, rather than wasting it in jealousy or anger or envying someone, put that energy towards a positive thought, or put that energy towards something which you want. And if you have that attitude, and if you're soft and kind in your heart, things will come, life will manifest the way you want. So I hope this video is a very short one, but I wanted to get this message out to people who are jealous actually dig a hole for themselves. I hope this video has helped you and given a positive message to you. Try and inculcate these things. Obviously, whenever you become jealous, it's not like you're becoming jealous and you say it out loud. Even the emotional factor, like sometimes in your heart you feel, oh, why didn't I come first, or why did he, well, he deserved more because he did some hard work, or he or she did some hard work, and they have their energy levels high, they concentrated, focused more on the job they wanted or the thing they wanted. So rather than being jealous, try and get yourself above your energy levels, get your in the higher frequency level, and things will manifest for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until next video, namaste.